Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check block list on Facebook. Let's get started by opening your Facebook account. Now, click on three lines, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now select Settings, scroll down and you can see in the audience and visibility the second last option is blocking. Tap this. Now you can see the block list of my Facebook. I blocked these two persons, and if you want to block another ID, you can click on add to block list. Now search any name or email, like I search Emily Textions. I can block her and easily. Okay. Now Uh, this is how you can check your block list on Facebook. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel.